Could a derelict stadium clock and a fluttering banner spark a comeback nobody expected during a night all but forgotten by history? In a rain-soaked arena, an underestimated coach notices the clock's wrong beat and dares a radical plan that hinges on tempo. The players, sparked by a chorus from the crowd, execute a flawless sequence that turns a dull match into a masterclass of timing and nerve. As the whistle nears, every decision echoes through the empty concourses, sealing a victory that would haunt the club's legends. The crowd erupts in a single breath, and the clock seems to tick in triumphant rhythm.